Still up there. Well, actually, I'm better than that, wasn't I? There it is, look. See it? Right on there. There it is, Joe. See it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Better open the door. Could be. I'm thinking that, because it'd probably think I'm his dad or something, because I'm that convincing, do you know what I mean? Bridget! I don't think I'm getting the brrs right. No, let's open the door, man. We've got to. We can't have that shitting everywhere, Joe. No way, mate. You know what to do, because it's pretty technical. Oh, no, you're not Chris, are you, Joe? Sorry. It's not working this time, Joe. Just sitting there, mate, watching me. There he is. Out you get, son. On your way. Come on. Is that it, or am I talking something else? I don't know.